In today's video, I will walk you through how to delete all chats in Claude AI. First, open your web browser and search for Claude AI. In the search results, find the official Claude page and click the link to proceed. If you're already signed in, you'll go directly to your workspace. If you aren't signed in, choose Continue with Google or Continue with your email, depending on the option you normally use for your account. Once you're in Claude, look at the left sidebar. Under the Recent section, click View All to open your complete conversation list. If the sidebar is collapsed, click the Chats icon to reach the same list. You should now see your conversations in one place. At the top right of the Chats list, click the Select button. This switches the list into selection mode and displays checkboxes next to your conversations, along with the available bulk action controls. You'll also see a summary showing how many chats are currently selected. Next, click the Select All checkbox. This selects every conversation in the list, so you don't have to choose them individually. If there are any conversations you want to keep, uncheck those chats before continuing. Once you've selected everything you want to remove, look for the Delete Selected button. Click it, or click the trash can icon if that's what appears on your screen. A confirmation prompt will appear. Review the message carefully, because deleting these chats is permanent and cannot be undone. When you're ready to continue, click Delete to confirm the removal. Depending on how many conversations you have, the chats list may take a moment to refresh. Wait for the list to update. After the deletion is complete, your chats list should be empty, or you may see a message indicating that there are no recent conversations. If any conversations still appear, refresh the page to update the view. That's it. You opened Claude AI, signed in, navigated to the full chats list, switched to selection mode, selected all conversations, and confirmed the deletion. Before confirming the deletion, make sure you've unchecked any conversations you want to keep. Once the deletion is confirmed, the selected chats cannot be restored. Thanks for watching.